Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the outdoor testing studio with a cool new product because this one happens to be particularly timely. This is a digital kitchen scale. That's right, we are shortly after the holiday season here and needing to adjust what we're eating, and so we needed a scale to properly feed ourselves and not bloat ourselves. So I got this. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. I can tell you already it's a really nice, heavy, feels like quality. I've used a couple other Vont products in the past and they've always been really good. So here is the scale itself. It's a very simple product, but again, one of the things that I always like is look at that. It comes with the batteries. That is so awesome, and I just really, it seems like a little thing, but I really appreciate when products include the batteries like that. It is super straightforward. It is really nice looking. Okay, it's got a power on off. Let's see, it's zeroing itself even though I'm holding it. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that, but it has the weight right there. And you can adjust the units using this button where you could either go pounds or grams, whichever works better for you. I'm just gonna throw something on it for the fun of it. Let's see, let me turn it off. 0. Okay, it's at 0. Let's see how much the knife weighs just for fun to see how well it works. 0.536 pounds, and if we hit units, 244 grams. Imagine that, milliliters and grams are the same thing. How much sense does the metric system make? In any case, I don't know why we didn't, we learned it, I don't know why we don't use it. It is so much easier than our crazy system. In any case, has nothing to do with this review, where I want to tell you this is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score because this works perfectly and it holds 5 pounds. Haha, I snuck that in there. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. We will see you again next time.